So we have the Valentine's Day box from Evike. Let's see what we got. We have an idea of what we have due to the size, but we'll find out.
Oh yeah. Please don't let it be pink.
Well, it's not my guess, but we'll see.
Oh.
We have our patches in here. We do have our pistol.
Oh dear Lord.
Little shipping container information. Yep. We have the John Wick style pistol. I already have one of these, so I can dual wield them now.
The irony of that. Yeah, such an issue getting the damn thing last time too.
And we have the SEMA AR-74. Which is not a bad starting gun, considering my friend here, codenamed Hero, needs a new primary, so this would work great for him.
Damn right.
So, all in all, not bad. We got one of the more common boxes, but definitely more than our money back, so...
No, absolutely.
I'd do it again.
Oh, yeah.